Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by reducing obvious drains, lower brightness, and stop casting now. Once done, close background apps and remove unused Bluetooth controllers to cut constant polling. Make sure auto sleep is set to 5 minutes and use the power button for quick standby. This prevents full boot cycles. Also, disable Guardian when not needed because sensor polling consumes juice. These first actions immediately extend session time, and they're fast to change in settings, so you can move to more detailed tweaks next. You now tackle mid-level optimizations that affect runtime. First, switch to a lower refresh rate. 72 Hz versus 90 Hz cuts GPU load and battery draw. Next, uninstall or disable resource-hungry apps and revoke background activity permissions so processes stop syncing. Also, turn off pass-through when you don't need it. The cameras and processors run continuously otherwise. Once these measures are in place, you'll notice longer sessions without changing gameplay drastically, and you're ready for final power management steps. You finish by locking in power savings and preparing for problems. Use a minimal Guardian boundary and disconnect spare Bluetooth gear to avoid ongoing scans. Charge with the official USB-C charger and consider airplane mode when storing the headset longer than 24 hours to reduce idle drain. If you see rapid battery loss, inspect battery health in diagnostics, reboot into safe mode, and only perform a factory reset as a last resort after backing up content. Troubleshooting this way prevents unnecessary resets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.